Nestled on the white sandy shores of this private island is Georgia's most expensive listing. Spanning most of the 17th Street block, this prized property extends from Sea Island Drive all the way to the marsh. Perfect for anyone looking to indulge in an elevated island lifestyle. Welcome to Cottage 342 at 205 West 17th Street. This estate is in a league of its own with 12 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, 17 fireplaces, and over 15,000 square feet of living space. It can be yours for $17.9 million. This grand residence is overflowing with opulence, but it still maintains a warm, comfortable ambiance. It's a mansion where lasting memories were made and are still to be written. If you're a family looking to spend time together and create memories, Lune del Miel could be the home for you. It means honeymoon. And you walk in here and you can just tell that there's so much history. It almost feels like you walked into a museum with so many of these pieces curated from different parts of the world. And yet it still feels like a home. Around the corner from the parlor is the dining room. This room takes fine dining to the next level. You feel like you've stepped into a period piece. It has silk wallpaper with hand-painted details. These two French buffets date back to 1780. And check out this gorgeous chandelier. Then there's a theater. There are so many beautiful details in this room that I certainly have never seen in any media room. It really adds to the authenticity and character of the home. Everything is so perfectly curated from all around Europe. You can travel abroad without ever leaving the cottage. French country design conveys timeless elegance without feeling stuffy or overindulgent. It's truly the perfect imperfection where old world charm meets modern amenities. This home has its own Irish pub. You know what that means? All you serious buyers out there, you have to be ready to let loose and have some fun. The pub features a Victorian pine front bar. The original mahogany countertop is from a tavern in England. There is plenty of room to play pool and share stories around the Roman black slate fireplace. Who needs to go out when you could stay in? Directly off the pub is a wine cellar. A lot of homes have a wine cellar, but this one has a European influence. It was designed as a place to store your finest bottles and enjoy a private moment. Here's something you don't see very often. This home has two primary suites. This one is called Sean Thornton. It's named after the character John Wayne played in the film, The Quiet Man. The suite features a generously sized bedroom and a spectacularly designed ensuite bathroom. It has an antique green marble fireplace and its own sitting room. This area is perfect for your favorite guest. There are 11 guest bedrooms in the home. This is one of them. It's called Cork, which is a county in Ireland. All of the bedrooms have their own name. And another fun fact, there are 17 fireplaces and one of them is in this room.
Upstairs on this side of the home is an additional guest wing that's separate from the rest of the second floor. The area has 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. It's perfect for the kids, or you can turn it into an office or studio space.
The French style is so incredibly prevalent in the primary suite. It just evokes a feeling almost like you've walked into a storybook. What I truly love is that balcony overlooking the outdoor area.
The main primary suite is the jewel of the home, the honeymoon suite. It has French decorative panels on the ceiling that were originally a part of a ballroom. These French chandeliers are from the late 18th century. The room also features a large ensuite bathroom and dressing room. And just look at all of this intricate detailing. The Grand Library is directly connected to the main primary suite, and it's really something special. It's warm and cozy. This would be the perfect place to unwind with a good book.
All of the guest bedrooms have their own name, as I mentioned, and their own flair. This one has a fireplace with the mantle imported from Italy. The marble is just gorgeous, and it matches so beautifully with the exposed beams and the Georgia peach walls. This backyard feels like a luxury hotel, and rightly so. You have 3 pools. Yes, you heard that correctly. 3 pools. What else could you ask for?
The resort-style outdoor space features 2 full cabanas, plus an outdoor kitchen and dining area. The large gazebo serves as a fully functioning outdoor living room. There's also a basketball court, an oversized chessboard, an in-ground fire pit, and a dovecote that's a wet bar.
The island is actually home to world-class golf courses, but this house has its own putting green. Cottage 342 is a masterpiece with 12 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, 2 primary suites, 3 pools, all spanning over 15,000 square feet. It's a perfect place to gather with loved ones. And it could all be yours for $17.9 million.